there, thanks for checking out my video. This is going to be a video about a boy. I don't even know where to really start. So I guess I'll start by saying that I really shouldn't be filming this at least for a couple more days. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is filming this segment now because I'm just so excited. And then in a couple of days, I will film the second part of it and put it together and bring it to you once I get the video completed. But for now, let's start with a little bit of story time. So about 3 years ago, like so many of you other women, I really thought that I found love. I thought that I fell in love with a boy. And like so many other women, the boy that I thought I fell in love with was already taken. I searched around for any sign or any availability for this boy, and needless to say, 3 years into the search, I came up without any luck. So then really a month ago, I spent my birthday in New York City and I found another boy, like so many of us women do, that seemed to be a really good boy. However, he wasn't perfect. And I remember somebody telling me once that you don't want to commit to the boy that you can live with, you want to commit to the boy you can't live without. So needless to say, I left that boy in New York City. And right after I went to New York, I went to Minnesota, and there I met somebody who was kind of willing to set me up with a new boy. One was kind of in his horizon, and he said, when I find this boy that is supposed to show up, I will let you know. Needless to say, that boy showed up and was sent to me, and I even did a whole video on that boy. I'm like so nervous about this. Here we go. Bag. The last bag that I will buy for a really long time. Not Louis Vuitton. It is a Chanel. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. And as soon as I unpackaged it, I realized I wanted so badly to love it, but I didn't. I was sad, and I just kind of was like, okay, when the right one comes, we all women know when the boy we can't live without shows up. So I went to the store within hours of filming that little video, and I returned to the boy. Saddened, but I knew, like real life, there are other plans for me. I went to a couple different places to see. The main reason why I didn't love the one was really all of it. I wasn't thrilled with a lot of different aspects of that boy. And then I saw one that literally made my heart stop. And needless to say, with a few days of thinking, I ended up bringing this home last night. Now, if you guys are on the Chanel website, you probably know what this is. If you've been following my Instagram, you also probably know what this is. But I want to do a real unboxing. I don't want to open it, play with it, and then put it back in the box and reopen it Monday. And you'll find out later in this video what's happening on Monday. But I want to do this right now because I can't wait. I would have loved to have done it last night when I got home. However, my real boy, the real boy in my life, my boyfriend he's been having a really hard time the last couple days. And there's a lot going on, and he is fine. We are great. But I am so excited about this purchase, and he is so not happy right now, and I just want to show him how much I care about him. And I thought by opening this and being really excited about this, I didn't want him to think that I didn't care about his feelings. So I waited till he went to work this morning, and now here I am, and let's meet the new boy in my life, shall we? My little girl is sitting right here on the couch, so I'm gonna try not to disturb her rest. But here she is. So the last boy that I took the video of, that I unboxed, I had no clue what it looked like. I did see pictures, but I really hadn't felt it. I hadn't seen it. I loved the way it smelled, which you can see in the video. But other than that, I was so unimpressed. This one I've played with. This one I love. I think this is my true love. So let's open it so you guys can see too. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm trying to think. I am not a pro at opening these boxes, and I think what I'm gonna have to do is untie it, which makes me sad because I love it. Oh, see, that came right off, so that's okay. So let's meet the new boy. This is a much heavier box, which can make you guys kind of guess. So here he is. Here he is. I think I'm gonna have to set it down. Okay, it's kind of just all falling out. I picked it up wrong. Okay. And so let's get rid of all of this. Here is my packet. I'm literally just throwing tissue paper everywhere. I am was not expecting, you know, so many men in our lives, you are searching for the perfect mate, for the perfect boy in your life, and it takes a while. It really does. And so I didn't think that I would find this one so quickly. So here we go. I'm gonna make sure I open it the right way for you guys. It's literally just so great. Here's my new boy. Oh, here's my first boy. My first Chanel, really my first Chanel purchase. It smells amazing. It is, as you can see, let me get him all ready for you. Here he is. So, as you guys obviously have heard my boy story, the gray one that I got was in the old medium. It was either lambskin or calfskin, I really don't know. It was in a gray. The gray was darker than I expected. In the photos, it photographed that my sales associate sent me. It photographed really light, and the hardware was ruthenium, which I liked, but I didn't like the combination with that color gray. It was very monotone. I love the chevron, but I also love the caviar. I feel like the caviar is much more durable. So when I saw this is caviar leather with the chevron, and this is the silver hardware, but it's not like that super blinding bright silver. It's just like this perfect silver. I feel like this bag can go from evening to day to evening. I feel like it's a perfect size to be an everyday bag, but it's also small enough to where I can take it like to a wedding or something like that. So let me give you guys his I'm so used to all my purses being girls. His close-up. So, this is just, like, you guys, I can't even. I have decided, because when I kind of, this came into my real wish list, I had a fairly big birthday this year, and when I was in New York, I kind of fell in love with the idea of getting this, but a different version. I never even knew about this one. So, needless to say, fell in love with this one when I saw him. It is just, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. I get why none of the other ones worked out. I get why I waited. And needless to say, there are a few things that I am selling, just because I think now my purse kind of game has changed. I don't anticipate going to Chanel full on. I don't anticipate getting rid of all my Louis, because I do love my Louis. I think I always will be a Louis girl, but this is just amazing. And so I do have a few items that I am selling, just because I don't use them. I realize how this bag is, you know, and some of my other bags are so, I just love so much, and I can't imagine not having them, and they make my heart happy. And then I look at some of these other bags that I have that I don't even use, and I think if they can make someone else as happy as I am with some of my purchases, I want to kind of pass that feeling on to other people, and I just want these bags to get the love that they deserve. So, anything that is still for sale is on my Instagram page. I am deleting things as I sell them, and I have also some stuff listed on eBay, but I am just so excited about this, and there may be a second part to this video, so stay tuned. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to post this video and then post the part 2, or if I'm going to just put it all together, but stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, so I don't even want to start with okay. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I don't even know how to film this. Bentley, come here. Come on. Come on. Come sit with me. She always is barking, so she always wants to sit on my lap. Hi. Come sit right here. So anyways, excuse me. Oh my gosh, when you do unboxing videos, you like open them, and I feel like I'm so like camera, I don't even really look. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm like tickled right now. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. It smells so good. I'm so excited to play with this. I know it needs to be like filled up. It needs just, oh, I'm so excited. Look at how cute it is. So great.